Welcome back to the channel. Today I hope the audio works as it should. I think I got it figured out. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Today's project is working on the skid steer again. And last time I used it, I noticed one of these lines down in here is pinched and is leaking. So I got a new line and some fittings and some wrenches. Let's see if we can't fix that. So stay tuned. Let's see if the old girl will fire up. Oh, what are you guys doing on the ground there? You guys all right? Right here is where it's leaking. You can see there's a pretty heavy pinch there. So we're going to take these off. We're going to replace it with rubber hoses. We're going to cinch them up in there. See how this all works. The first thing we want to do is crack the line loose. See how that works. Hopefully I don't get oil all over me. All right, we got to escape inside the machine. What line is this? That's the one on that cylinder. Well, hopefully it doesn't leak too much. Yeah, it's not too bad. Just a little bit of oil. You OGs to the channel will know that this wrench right here, this big one, I found in the machine. Got her freed up and working. Now I'm using it to fix the machine. No, that don't fit, so I have to use the elbow. We'll just point it to the right direction, like that. Okay, that's pretty tight. Let's get the other side now. Hopefully we can do this quick enough where it doesn't leak all over. We'll call that good and tight. Tighten this guy up. Yeah, feels tight. We'll call them both tight. I don't think that bolt's long enough for both of these. Yeah, you need a longer bolt. All right, let me get a longer bolt. I got a slightly longer bolt. Let's see if this one works. Alright, that's on there. Should stay, I hope. Loosen up a little. Just gotta go that way a little. Yep. That just happened. Alright. That's better. Maybe we'll get the wrench. Let's see how that works. Hopefully nothing leaks. I think I got everything tight enough. Let's see if it leaks. I don't see any leaks. That's good. I don't know why that's moving. Yeah, that's gonna pop out of there. Nope, no leaks. That's good. No leaks. I like no leaks. I'm not crazy about that though. We're gonna have to redo that somehow. Yeah, I'm not crazy about that. You can see it moving. See how that line moves? As the boom goes up and down, that arm moves, that line moves. Which is kind of weird. I don't understand why. Shouldn't, but it is. We're probably going to take that clamp off there and just put something else. Yeah, I don't like that. This side's not too bad. I didn't see really any movement there. That's fine there. I don't know why this side's moving. But it ain't leaking. It ain't pinched. Oh, I got my switch fixed. Maybe feed that up through here, because that's pretty tight. And not liking that. Gonna be hard on the hoses. Anyways, we'll call this one semi-fixed. I mean, it's not leaking anymore, but I gotta do something different there. I'm not liking the way that's hanging out on that thing. It seems very tight. I don't want it to pull the hose, pull that line apart, and then have a big mess. So, well, that's all I have for today. Like before, if you enjoyed it, click the thumbs up, hit the little doobly-doo and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.